In this short tutorial, I will show you how to fix the issue of missed call notifications and not showing on your Android device. This problem can be frustrating as it may cause you to miss important calls without even realizing it. But don't worry, fixing this problem is quick and easy. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down and tap Notification. Then tap Advanced Settings. And then scroll down a bit and enable app icon badges by toggling on this switch. Then, go back to the main settings page and scroll down until you see Apps. Tap on it. What you want to do next is tap on the search button at the top right and type in Phone. Select it from the search results. Then tap Notifications. And then tap on this option. Allow sound and vibration. Make sure every notification type is set to Allow. If it is set to Not Allowed, simply tap on it to allow it. Next, tap Notification Categories. And make sure Missed Calls is turned on. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.